Okay, we didn't bring our musicians because our musicians are very busy at this time, but we're gonna bring out our keikis. We brought some of our keikis from the li'i, Papa li'i. Come, girls. We're gonna do for you a song called ʻUlupalakua. So two of the girls that's in this line, they're from Vegas. So they're so they came, learned hula, did shows with Kuipu Kumukahi, and did shows at Waikiki. And these are my grand Mo'opuna in the red, Aliyah and Bailey. They're going to go home next week. So sad. Okay, spread out, girls. Boy, spread out. Spread out. This way, girls. Spread out. Wait, Aliyah, move down. So yeah, some of them this is their first time. All right. So let's take you to Maui. So we learned about many things about the history of Waikiki, of Maki'ailana, right? So we know Maki'ailana was named after James Makee. So also, through that lineage of James Makee, did you know he purchased ʻUlupalakua on Maui? So we like to share this mele called ʻUlupalakua. Here we go, girls. Sorry, okay, yeah, I gotta go back and forth.
Kaulana mai nehi a ʻUlupalakua e iniki ahi ka homea o paniolo. Kaulana mai nehi a ʻUlupalakua e iniki ahi ka homea o paniolo. E wehi e kulehi a ʻUlupalakua ona me ka wapuhi e beauty maolingo. E wehi e kulehi a ʻUlupalakua ona me ka wapuhi e nani maolingo. Haina mai ka puahana ʻUlupalakua e iniki ahi ka homea o paniolo. Haina mai ka puahana a ʻUlupalakua e iniki ahi ka homea o paniolo.